If it feels like the country is seeing more food recalls, you're not wrong. The FDA shows an uptick this year in recalls for food and cosmetics, 1,905 for the 2024 fiscal year. This is up from last year and near levels seen before the pandemic. Still, the FDA insists America's food supply remains one of the safest in the world. And the USDA adds this in a statement, quote, "The USDA takes the responsibility of safeguarding the nation's meat, poultry, and egg products very seriously. Even one foodborne illness is too many. Thousands of inspectors from our Food Safety and Inspection Service work diligently each day to inspect establishments and ensure companies are producing safe food for the American public." American confidence in government's ability to handle food safety is waning. 57% of adults say they have a great deal or fair amount of confidence in the government to keep the food supply safe. And that's a record low, down 11 points from 2019. From baby formula, cantaloupes, and nuts, and even more recently, Boar's Head deli meat and now McDonald's. These recalls are associated with serious illness, hospitalizations, and even deaths in some cases across the United States. Experts say the food system is becoming more complicated. More foods are imported and more are processed. The government's ability to trace contamination has improved, but some say inadequate staffing proves a vulnerability.
I think the government is under-resourced when it comes to food safety. There is a huge number of food manufacturers, retailers, suppliers, service providers to inspect, and very few inspectors. So resource deficient is part of the problem.
Some lawmakers, like Democratic Senator Richard Blumenthal, call for USDA accountability and reform in the wake of rising listeria-related food recalls. Reporting from New York, Lydia Hu, Fox Business.